Hey everybody, how's it going? Amy in Brooklyn here. I wanted to show you that outfit that we got in the mail the other day and show you what it looks like on Brooklyn. I think it's adorable. There's the top, it says Mommy's Cupcake, and the sweet little pants. Little polka dots. Now if we come around here, there's a monkey on her bottom. She's got a lot of monkey stuff for the most part. She's got some monkey jammies and some other monkey things. And then the other thing we wanted to show you is this. We have some crazy weather going on out here. On the streets of Minnesota, there is 5 to 6 inches that have fallen overnight since last night. It started snowing heavy about 3 o'clock this morning, and the sidewalks down there on the street are absolutely covered. We tried to walk in it this morning, and it was a very failed thing. So, anyways, back to Brooklyn. Oh, we're having a good day. It's going to be another homebound day, just hanging out here at the house, so. But yeah, we wanted to show you our cute outfit, and funny enough, we actually had a pair of booties, her favorite little booties, that match her outfit. They match perfectly. So yeah, that's what she looks like, and that's what's going on in our world. Hopefully everybody out there is doing well, and yeah, we're ready for winter to be done. Alright, I'll talk to you soon. Later.